Today, I am reviewing the Arrvel Rugged Tablet with Barcode Scanner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When you are managing a high-volume warehouse or a fast-paced retail floor, the last thing you want is a piece of hardware that feels like a glass ornament. Most consumer-grade tablets are built for coffee shops, but the Arrvel I17J Rugged Tablet is clearly built for the trenches. After putting this unit through its paces in a demanding logistics environment, I can confidently say that it is one of the most reliable tools I have ever integrated into a workflow. This is not just a tablet with a thick case, it is a dedicated piece of industrial machinery that happens to run Windows 11 Pro. The first thing that strikes you is the build quality. It meets MIL, STD, 810G standards and carries an IP65 rating, which sounds like technical jargon until you actually drop it on a concrete floor or get caught in a sudden downpour on a loading dock. I have seen it take tumbles from 4 feet up and shrug them off without a flicker on the screen. The casing is dense and the ports are sealed tight, meaning dust from a construction site or moisture from a refrigerated warehouse won't stand a chance of reaching the internals. One of the biggest bottlenecks in inventory management is the quality of the barcode scanner. Many tablets rely on the camera to scan, which is slow and frustrating. The Arrvel I17J, however, integrates the Honeywell N4680 Scan Engine, and the difference is night and day. It handles 1D and 2D QR codes with incredible speed. I tested it against smudged labels and poorly printed barcodes that usually require manual entry, and the Honeywell engine snapped them up in milliseconds. If your team is doing high-intensity scanning for 8 hours a day, the time saved by this dedicated scanner pays for the device itself within weeks. Performance-wise, I was initially curious how the Intel Celeron N5100 would handle heavy enterprise software. Paired with 8 GB of RAM, I found that it runs Windows 11 Pro smoothly. It handles ERP and WMS systems like SAP or ArcGIS without the stuttering you might expect from a mobile device. Having 128 GB of internal storage is a solid baseline, and the ability to expand that to 512 GB via an SD card is a huge plus for teams that need to store large blueprints or offline mapping data. The display is another standout feature. Most screens wash out completely the moment you step outside, but this 10.1-inch panel pushes 700 nits of brightness. This makes it truly sunlight readable. Whether you are checking digital blueprints on a bright construction site or documenting assets in an open yard, the clarity is exceptional. The 8MP rear camera is actually quite sharp for field documentation, providing clear, high-definition photos for inspections or proof of delivery reports. Connectivity is vital for a mobile workforce, and this tablet covers all the bases. The inclusion of 4G LTE alongside dual-band Wi-Fi means that field workers stay connected even when they are miles away from the nearest router. The GPS and GLONASS integration is accurate, which is essential for fleet management or any outdoor exploration tasks. Battery life is always a concern for long shifts. The 5,000 mAh battery provides about 8 hours of solid usage, which covers a standard shift. However, the real winner here is the removable design. Being able to swap in a fresh battery without waiting for a charge is a game changer for 24/7 operations. If you are planning to use this in a professional capacity, I highly recommend picking up the extra battery and the dedicated charging dock to maximize the uptime. Finally, the peace of mind offered by the Arrvel official warranty shouldn't be overlooked. Knowing there is a 1-year manufacturer warranty and lifetime technical assistance shows that they stand behind their product. In a world where tech support is often a headache, having 24/7 online assistance is a major benefit for enterprise users who cannot afford downtime. If you need a rugged, Windows-based powerhouse that can survive the elements while delivering top-tier scanning performance, the Arrvel i17J is an investment that will absolutely deliver. It is tough, fast, and built for the reality of hard work.